Alright guys, for those of you that have joined my Telegram group where I'll be giving free signal and you've already created your own Bybit account using our partnership link that I provided in the Telegram group. So today I want to show you how you can deposit money into that trading account that you create for yourself so that you can be able to take trade along with us when I drop a signal in the Telegram group. So we can be able to 10x or 50x our initial capital. So let me show you how you do that. All you have to do is to open Bybit app on your phone, or whether you are using on your PC as well, you can open it. So all you have to do is to go to P2P. For those of you that you are in Nigeria, but if you are an outside country that you can use your MasterCard or whatever card you have, you are free to do that. But for most African country, I think P2P is the right way. So right now I'm going to be depositing money into this account so you as well will understand how to do that. So all you have to do now is to come to P2P and click on this Nigeria right here and change it to whichever currency that your country use. So all you have to do now, after choosing that, as you can see, mine is in Nigeria. So I have to look for a merchant that is willing to sell the amount I want to buy. So for this first guy right here, as you can see, this Olagidi 15. So I'm going to be buying from this guy. But all you have to do is just to make sure you check the rate at which this guy is actually attending to his customer. As you can see, you have 2,421 order and 96% like order that has already been completed, which shows that this guy is legit. So you can look down as well. We have so many merchants with badges, which shows that these are legit and they are very strong merchants in the community. So right now, as you can see right here, all I'm going to be clicking now is to click on buy. So this will direct me right here, and I'm going to be putting amount of USDT that I want to buy. As I told you guys that the minimum you can fund your trading account is $1 to $10 minimum. For those of you that want to trade the signal, so you have to have at least $1 to $10, but you can scale it up depending on the amount you are willing to risk. So for now, I think for this tutorial I'm going to be buying like 5,000. As you can see right here, I'm going to be clicking on buy, and it's going to be generating this guy account for me where I'm going to be paying money to, as you can see right now. So you have like time right here reading. This is the time that you need to pay this guy right here. So all I'm going to be doing now is to click on pay now. So this is the information of the bank account that I'm going to be paying to. So all I'm going to be doing now is just to copy this and go and pay this money into this OPay account right here. So as you guys can see, it's very simple. So I'll be back after I make payment to this account. So now I've made the payment to this account. All I have to do is just to click on payment completed. So right now, as you can see, it's going to be prompting this for you. Is to click on this and click on confirm that you make the payment. So you have to wait for this order to be accomplished, and you're going to be getting your USDT, which you are going to be using to trade. So you have to wait a slight patient for the merchant to actually transfer this USDT. So after this merchant has transferred the USDT to my account, I'm going to be showing you guys right now. And also you can message this merchant as well if he did not respond in time. All you have to do is just to click on this contact seller right here, as you can see, and we're going to type in maybe I've paid or something like that. So right now, as you can see, this USDT have already arrived in my wallet. As you can see, it's completed right now. So now what I'm going to be doing now is just to go back right here, and I'm going to be going to my wallet right here. I want to confirm. As you can see, I have 6.49 USD in the wallet. So all you have to do is just to click on it. As you can see right now, this is USDT sitting down in my wallet, which worth 5,000. So all I'm going to be doing right now is to hit transfer, because I want to move it into the trading account that we're going to be using to trade. So right now I have this inverse. I'm going to be changing it from this inverse to unified trading. For you, you might see derivative because I'm using this unified trading account. I've upgraded my account to this. So don't worry about that, but it's very simple. But for you, you might see derivative or future account on your own. So all you have to do is to switch things around. So as you can see, where do you have this fund? Is on fund account. So as you can see, it's gonna be in funding account. So all you have to is to change this coin right here. I'm gonna be clicking on change coin, and I'm gonna be choosing USDT because it's USD that I bought from the guy. So as you can see, I'm gonna be clicking on maximum, and I'm gonna be transferring. Just click on confirmed, and now this money will be transferred into the trading account that we use to trade. So right now, as you can see, the money is actually moved into this account. When you go to derivative right here, which is where we actually used to trade with, as you can see. So as you can see right now, you will be looking at this top right here. As you can see, 6.4947, that is the amount that we're going to be using to take trade. So this is how you are going to be funding your account so that you can be able to trade with us and 10x or 50x your initial capital. So I hope this video was helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe or follow me on all my social media platforms so that you can be able to learn trade and take advantage of my daily free signal that I usually post on my Telegram group so that you guys can make money along as well. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and follow for more. So for now, bye for now.